In ancient Greek mythology, the principal gods and goddesses, known as the Olympians, reside on Mount Olympus, which is considered the highest mountain in Greece. This majestic location is believed to be a paradise, where the gods live in splendor, separate from the mortal realm. Mount Olympus is often depicted as a place of great beauty and tranquility, where the gods hold court and feast, and it serves as their home base for interacting with humans and the world. The traditional number of 12 Olympian gods is symbolic rather than fixed. This number has become a standard representation of the principal deities in the Greek pantheon, although there are variations and a few other gods are sometimes included or substituted in different myths or regions. The origins of the 12 Olympians may be connected to the structure of society and culture in ancient Greece, where these gods represented various fundamental aspects of life, nature, and human behavior. This pantheon allowed for a broad range of divine intervention in both personal and communal matters, reflecting the complexities of human existence. While the identification of 12 Olympians is most common, various other gods and goddesses played important roles in Greek mythology, including the Titans, primordial deities, and local or lesser-known gods, which reflects the rich and diverse nature of ancient Greek religious practices and beliefs. The pantheon of 12 Olympians symbolizes not only the essential elements that govern the universe, but also the interconnectedness of life, nature, and human affairs in ancient Greek thought.